Hello there, lovely creative people. In this lecture, we're going to be talking about creating documents and different ways of saving specific documents, okay? And this is very important, guys, believe me. Everything we do here is important if you want to be a Photoshop expert. So the first thing you have when you open Photoshop is that you have two options right here. We have Create New and we have Open. So Open will allow you to open an image or a file from your desktop. And Create New will allow you to create new documents in Photoshop. So when you click here, this window will open. Right here we have Recent, which means the recent documents we've been working with or working on. We have Saved, whatever saved preset you have here. And then we have different presets for different disciplines. So if you are into web design, you can choose presets from here. If you click on View All Presets, you will have more. And you can also download templates from Creative Cloud. You just click and then click Download. Once it's finished, it will appear here under Saved. If you are into UI design, you can click on Mobile, and then you will have different presets for the mobile design, even Apple Watch if you want. So you have pretty much everything here. You can also create your own presets. So if I come over here to preset details, this area right here, I can give a name to my presets. So for example, it's going to be Instagram post. I can choose a measurement unit from here, pixels, inches, centimeters, whatever, depending on where you live. So I would usually just go ahead and choose pixels. If you are in the US, you can choose inches, I guess. And right here, I will enter the dimensions of an Instagram post. So it's going to be 1800 pixels by 1800 pixels. Resolution is always a good idea to have it at 300 pixels per inch, especially if you're going to print this. Color mode, just leave it RGB, 8-bit colors. You can change right here 8-bit to 16-bit or 32, but this is especially done for photography if you are working with photos and you want to access more colors than 8-bit will give you. So this is pretty much some advanced stuff. I want to leave it right now. Background content, you can leave it white. If you want black, you can change it to black, but usually it doesn't matter. Advanced options, we have color profile. If you click, you will have different color profiles right here. Okay, and here you want to pay attention, guys. So you can either choose work in RGB or don't color manage or Adobe RGB 1998. The other color profiles, as you can see here, belongs to different cameras. Okay, these are the color profiles for different photography cameras, so you don't want them included in your projects. So I will change this to work in RGB. So you're probably asking yourself, what is the use of color profile? So color profile, basically, when you finish saving your documents and you want to open it in a new software, the color guide will tell that specific software that is not Photoshop what color profile this document is. That will allow you to keep the same colors as the one you've been working with in Photoshop. You won't be surprised with different colors when you reopen the documents in a previous version of Photoshop or another software. And once you finish setting up everything, you can click here on this icon. Give it a name. So this one is going to be Instagram post presets. Save presets. And now it is saved directly under saved. Okay. Create new. And here we have it. I can hide this layer for now.